Hi and welcome to another Instrument Choice support video. In this video, we'll show you what comes in the box with the Testo 103 Mini Folding Thermometer, product code IC-0560-0103. The Testo 103 food probe thermometer can be used everywhere where food is sold, stored or processed. What's more, when folded down, the meter is a little over 11 centimeters long, so it is small enough to fit in your shirt or trouser pocket. And because the probe can be folded away when it's not in use, there's no need to worry that it might break off or cause any harm or damage to you. In the box there's an instruction manual, a calibration certificate, and the small fold-out thermometer. The thermometer consists of a sizable LCD screen, the immersion penetration probe with a pointed tip which easily folds out, and the battery compartment on the base. The batteries are pre-installed. All there is to do to get started is remove the battery saver tab. Use a small coin to open the battery cover. A 10-cent coin works well. Replace the cover and lock back in. No setup required, the device is now ready for use. To turn off and on, simply open and close the probe. When taking a measurement, either by immersion or penetration, it's important to note that the probe must be inserted a minimum of 23mm for correct readings. And that's what's in the box with the Testo 103 Mini Folding Thermometer. For more information on this or any other food thermometers, visit the Instrument Choice website. Links are in the description. We hope that you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.